Hello, all you beautiful YouTube people. It's your boy Nilla G and his better half, the Gypsy. This week, this will be coming out on Monday, but this week we got a whole lineup of funky food, and we're also going to do a shout out for Funky Food with Dave. But today's food review and taste test isn't real funky. It's probably the least funky out of all of the things we're doing. Now Monday, today, you're getting this not so funky food. Tuesday, we're going to do a cooked funky food, so cooking with the gorilla. Wednesday you'll get another taste test of some funky food. I'm pretty excited about that one. And then Thursday there'll be another cooking video. Friday another taste test, food review of some funky food and these peeps. That's all I'm gonna say. Some crazy peeps. And Saturday you'll probably get another food review and taste test. But today, and what we're going to incorporate with our food review and taste test, we're going to go over a small item that we collect or something that's odd and weird. So if you guys want to just watch those, you can skip over the food reviews and taste tests and check out the different things that we show you. And if you want just the food reviews, you can stop when they're done, because we'll do the food reviews first and the items last. Today, we're doing a food review and taste test from a company called Frutilla, and this can be purchased at Aldi's. These are mini bars, sesame and nuts.
We did not get those at Aldi's.
Where'd we get them?
We got those at the Dollar Tree when we were looking for the bars.
Okay, well, I stand corrected. We got these at the Dollar Tree. It says the ingredients are white sesame, sugar maltose syrup, peanut, palm oil, and salt. So it contains peanuts and sesame. And what's great about these are they're individually wrapped. So let's break into this and see what this is all about. We like sesame a lot.
Oh, they are mini.
They're mini bars. And they look like this. Like a miniature rice cake. Pretty hard, huh?
Very hard.
Kind of flaky. It's all just sesame seed with some peanuts in it. So all those little seeds make it kind of like a rice cake. It's really good with the peanuts. That many sesame seeds at once,
It's a lot.
it's kind of odd tasting in there.
Yeah. A little more sesame than it should be.
Unless you're a big sesame fan.
Or add some more of the
It's not a syrup or anything. It's just a
protein
plain.
on the outside and the inside.
Yeah, and inside. It's just a plain sugar. Like. Very mildly sweet. I guess that is pretty funky. That's a little different. Frutilla mini bars, sesame and nuts. Just a big block of sesame seed. Funky Food with Dave. You guys need to go check out his channel. Does lots of different taste tests, a lot of different funky foods, always new stuff. And I just found out they're beekeepers. They make honey. So, Funky Food with Dave, go check them out. I think it's Paula and Dave, but I'm not sure. I'm horrible with names. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll have it right by the end of the week. This will be a Funky Food with Dave shout out week with funky foods with the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. Both cooked and tasted. We got some pretty cool recipes coming out. Tammy had a few ideas, and I thought, oh, that'd be great to go, and everything just kind of lined up. And Funky Food with Dave is a fairly new friend of ours, so all lines up, the stars aligned, and this is what's going on. Hope you enjoyed these food reviews and taste tests with the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. Stay tuned, and we're going to go over a cool little thing that we have, because we collect a few different odd things. Today's not real odd, but should be pretty fun. Hey guys, here's one of our things. It's a Bob Ross bobblehead with sound. Now we have a calendar with his sayings on it, just a miniature calendar. I don't know where that's at. This has never been opened, but it says it's got a flip book with 30 of Ross's landscapes. I imagine it's something like this. And on one side there's paintings of Bob Ross, and on the back it says different sayings like, we begin with paint and brush. The object is to capture the dream quickly while it's still alive. I love Bob Ross's sayings, and that's what the bobblehead looks like. Should I open it up? It's never been opened. It's made by Running Press. And it says on the bottom that the number to the right is the number of the printing. So this is printing 10. And they started these back in 2017 with the Bob Ross Incorporated. This one comes with a calendar and the bobblehead. It says it's $16.50 in Canada and $12.95 in the USA. So what do you think? Should I open it up and let them hear the sounds? Well, it is the first one of these reviews, kind of. It's our food review. So, I'm going to open the bottom side. I won't open the top. I should have seen if I could peel back that sticker and not even really opened it. Alright, let's get the bobblehead out of there. There is a calendar.
Are you sure it's a calendar? It's paintings.
Yeah, it's just paintings, you're right. And there's no sayings either, it's just paintings, really nice paintings. So that's cool. And here's the bobblehead. Let's see what he says. You guys are hearing it first with me.
You guys turn it on.
Oh, you gotta pull the little sticker out.
Pull the safety tab.
Well, I'm gonna pull the safety tab for you, the people, so you guys get to hear this. So feel blessed, and hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, wah wah wah.
Oh, it doesn't work. Maybe it needs a battery or something.
Probably needs a battery.
Let's make some nice little clouds that just float around and have fun all day. Let's make some nice little clouds that just float around and have fun all day. Let's get crazy. What the heck? Take a 2-inch brush. This is your bravery test. Anything that you try and you don't succeed, if you learn from it, it's not a failure. You have to have dark in order to show light. It's just like in life. You know me, I think you're to be a big old tree. Right about there. Let's give him a friend. Everybody needs a friend.
It's dying.
This be a good place for my little squirrel to live. Let's put a few little highlights in here just to make your little rascals just sparkle in the sun. Anything we don't like, we turn it into a happy little tree or something. Because as you know, we don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents.
Basil.
Now then, let's wash the old brush. That's the fun part of this whole technique. Okay, shake off the excess. And just beat the devil out of it.
Beat the devil out of it.
And that may be the true joy of painting, is when you share it with other people. I really believe that's the true joy.
true joy is sharing your paintings with other people.
And let's make some nice little clouds that just float around and have fun all day.
So there you go. We got it to work. I don't know what it was. I'll put this back in here. See you next time.
Peace, y'all. You have to hurry up. Water or not? Hurry up. Come right back, you're gonna get all wet. Hurry up.